Hey there, lovely viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of diets, specifically the 10 most ridiculous ones. These diets are not only based on fads and misconceptions, but they can also be downright harmful to your health. Let's get right into it. Here are the top 10 most ridiculous diets. The cabbage soup diet. Claiming that cabbage soup can help you shed pounds quickly, it's incredibly low in nutrients and can lead to deficiencies. The grapefruit diet. This one suggests grapefruit can burn fat, but there's zero scientific evidence to back it up. The all-meat diet. Eating only meat may sound tempting, but it's low in fiber and nutrients, which can lead to issues like constipation. The juice cleanse. Drinking only juice for detox? There is no science behind it, and it can leave you nutrient deficient. The crash diet. Drastically reducing calories might show quick results, but it's not sustainable and can lead to future weight gain. The detox diet. Promoting the idea of detoxifying your body from toxins, there's no scientific proof, and it could lead to nutrient deficiencies. The celebrity diet. Based on what celebrities eat, these diets aren't practical for most of us and can be unrealistic. The fad diet. These diets follow the latest trends and are often short-term and can harm your health. The yo-yo diet. Characterized by cycles of weight loss and gain, is detrimental to your health and long-term weight loss. The starvation diet. Starving yourself isn't sustainable and can lead to severe health problems. Now that we've uncovered these ridiculous diets, here are some smarter strategies for healthy weight loss. Enjoy a balanced diet rich in fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Regular exercise is key. Prioritize quality sleep. Manage stress effectively. Remember, patience is key on your weight loss journey. I hope you're finding this video enlightening. If you are, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel for more engaging content on health and wellness. Here are some extra tips for steering clear of bad diets. Always do research before starting any diet. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Listen to your body. If a diet makes you feel unwell, it's time to reconsider. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're struggling with weight loss. Professionals are here to support you on your journey. Now, understanding how diet works is essential. Your body requires a certain amount of energy from food. When you consume more calories than you burn, the excess is stored as fat. Eating fewer calories than you burn forces your body to tap into those stored fat reserves, leading to weight loss. Most diets fail because they're either too restrictive or unsustainable. Restrictive diets often lead to giving up and reverting to old habits, resulting in weight regain or even more weight gain. Sustainable diets based on healthy eating principles don't require giving up on all your favorite foods. There is a vast array of diets out there, each with its own set of rules. Atkins, low carbs, high fat. Paleo, eating like our ancestors. Mediterranean, rich in fruits, veggies, and whole grains. DASH, designed to lower blood pressure. Weight Watchers, based on a point system. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all diet. The best diet is the one you can stick to that helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any diet. Some parting advice for your dieting journey. Set realistic goals, 1 to 2 pounds per week. Make gradual dietary changes. Find a support system. Be patient. Sustainable weight loss takes time and effort. Follow these tips and you'll be on your path to safe, effective, and sustainable weight loss. Exploring diets, the highs and lows. Subscribe to stay in the know. Drop a comment, share your thoughts. Let's discuss as we've been taught. Join our community. Be a part of the crew. Share with friends. They'll thank you too. Together we'll learn, grow, and thrive. Hit that bell to keep the vibes alive. Subscribe, comment, and don't be shy. Share the knowledge. Reach for the sky. Together we'll conquer, educate, and inspire. Join the conversation. Let's aim higher.